At the base of the inspiration, if you want, it's really kind of going back to the roots of the brand. So this kind of notion of not building or creating typical hotels, but really creating those large family estate is really kind of the overall guiding principle. Every first-time guest will always be asked, would you like a tour of the hotel? In essence, that's the first thing you do when you greet someone in your house, to say, well, can I give you a tour of the house? What it represents for Hong Kong is really kind of goes to the core of our philosophy, which is a sense of place. Hong Kong is hugely busy. When you look at the harbour from your room, you have this amazing, relaxing feeling. The hotel, I think, feels really like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Manor Club is defined by the access to this space where we are. It is a space that is available 24/7, again with butler service throughout the day. Almost every restaurant in the hotel has al fresco dining. We happen to actually have our own farm as well, where we cultivate our own vegetables. One of our signature services is our butler team. We have a team of well over 20 butlers, fully dedicated to butler duties. We really try to create each property in a different way. We rethink everything. We don't just do a cookie cutter or copy-paste expression, because we want each hotel to truly represent its destination.